Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is Multi-Directional Tracking of Athletes using Matlab. The project abstract is: this document proposes the creation of an Matlab script to find, track and analyze the movement of athletes on their given playing surface with the intent of providing more precise information to coaches and players. It includes 6 components. First one is background and motivation, and second one is research goal and objective, and third one is research design and methods, and fourth one is staffing plan, and fifth one is timeline, and sixth one is reference. The project flow diagram is to find the athlete activities to track our system. So initially we are going to collect the data sets. So in the data set our athletes oriented, so it is based on our players. So according to the data set we have to choose one data set, according to choose one video. So in this video, our input video, so according to that video, first we have to read this video. After reading our input video, we have to convert the frame. So why we are going to frame conversion means, because each and every step to watch the player, so that purpose only we are going to convert it into frames, and then according to that frame we are going to find the details about our frame. After frame conversion we are going to resize the video. So in that video here I am using 256 cross 256. It is 256 cross 256 means our rows and column values. After resizing our video we are going to filtering. So why we are going to filtering now some external noise will be added, so that purpose only we are going to filter that video. So the removal of noise will be shown on the command window also. After filtering process we are going to subtract the background. So why we are going to background subtraction means, the object will be exactly detect to moment of each and every moments, so that purpose only we are going to using background subtraction. In that background subtraction we are using the DCT. In DCT means discrete cosine transform, so it is going to easily identify the object of moments. So finally we are going to track that video. So in that video the players movements will be tracked. So in this tracking we are going to plot the bounding box. After track the video we are going to extract the features, and after the feature extraction we are going to analyze the activity. It may be a running or standing, like that process we are going to analyze. So finally we are going to classify the results for accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. The project source code was run from the command window. In current folder shows some folders and files. So according to that files we are going to run the main file.m. Our data sets are stored in the data sets. So we are going to give the 3 different type of videos. So in that videos we are going to analyze other activities. So in main file we are going to run. After run our process we are going to data set. So in the data set we are choosing 1. So the process will be going. So it is the input frame. So the enter the value means our resizing the original video with different size. First one is original size, and 500 cross 500, 300 cross 300, 256 cross 250. It is the resizing the frames and video size. So I will give the number as 4. It is based 256 cross 256. The resized frames also converted into 256 cross 256. Next we are going to apply the filter. In that filter we are using the Gaussian filter. So I will just give us one. So it is the enter the value. So it means the size of the video The 3 means represented as 300 cross 300 and 5 means represented as 500 cross 500. So when I give the 3, so the process will be 300 cross 300 will be process. So it is the size of the video will be shown on 3. So it is the DCT frames. So the maximum speed was achieved. So how much speed will be occur in the object? So the process was completed. So now we discuss the each figures. So in figure 1 shows the initial frame. It is a background frame of our process. So it will be shown on our current folder. It is a background frame .jpg. In figure 1 shows the our original video. So in figure 2 shows the number of frames. Here I am using only the 50 frames. So it is the each and every frame for our object detection. So it is the resizing the frame. So it is the filter frames. So it is the binary of our process to detect the object. It is also going to convert it into frames. So after binary detection we are going to apply the DCT. So in the DCT they exactly detect the motions of the object to in black and white. So it is also going to convert it into frames. So the maximum speed will be achieved to it is going to give the alert for our user. So finally we are going to track the object of our process. It going to how many frames will be converted, then how much step will be for our each and every object of our process. So the values will be shown on the workspace. So we are going to discuss the frames and values of our process. So in this process we are going to identify the speed and average step for each person, how much step will be to move. So time slot also will be shown on the command window. Then each frames will be stored on different folders, binary and BSMTH, dataset and filter frames and point resize. So it is different type of frames will be stored in our folders. So we have to verify when we are occurring the confusion. So the project demo was completed. Thanks to watching this video.